well, what can I say, for £16.50, including the case and delivery off Amazon, this seems to be so far an absolute steal. I've had it for about 7 or 8 weeks, and I've used it probably for the same amount of times, and I'm really impressed with it. It seems much better than the Ridge Monkey I had beforehand, and slightly bigger. So yeah, as you can see by the close-ups, it seems really well made. Okay, I'll put a link on the screen at the end of the video for the Ridge Monkey that I mentioned, and yep, cheers for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please click on the sausages on the screen.